हाय माय नेम इज राज सांबर और ये कहानी मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है। मेरे लिए डॉग से बढ़कर इस दुनिया में कुछ भी नहीं है। आई वॉज थिंकिंग टू अडॉप्ट अ डॉग फ्रॉम क्वाइट सम टाइम नाउ एंड लकी इनफ आई गॉट अ कॉल अबाउट अ 9-month old German Shepherd named Lara who was looking for a home. So I was like, yeah, send in the pictures and I'll see how that goes. And मुझे लारा के photos इतने ज़्यादा पसंद आए कि it was an instant match. So I packed my bags and went to see her as soon as possible. Soon enough, I introduced her to my friends and family and everything seemed perfect. I took a couple of weeks to decide कि क्या करना है and I finally came to a conclusion. And this is what happened. I'm really nervous, man. I'm even nervous to shoot this right now. What the hell? Guys, I've never been nervous to be in front of the camera जितना मैं अभी हूँ लाइफ में. I don't know what's happening to me, but the day has come finally and I'm going to adopt Lara right now. Oh my god, I'm happy and nervous at the same time. I just can't even tell you, man. You guys must be thinking कि like you're just adopting a dog, right? Like इतना क्या excitement है. तो for me, मैं आपको बता दूँ कि 25 साल से, so I'm 25 years old, right? 25 साल से growing up, I always wanted a dog, and I tried a lot of times to bring a doggo home, but that never happened for me. मैं morning में जब से उठा हूँ तब से I'm really anxious and I'm just continuously thinking about Lara. I feel like a parent right now, like you know, adopting like a child. So Lara has been coming home, but it was not official कि like मुझे adopt करना है कि नहीं. So yesterday I made the call and I told them कि I want to adopt Lara and I'm doing it. I just don't want to stop talking right now. I just don't want to stop filming, man. I'm so scared. I'm gonna pick Atty from here. We're gonna go to the place. We're gonna pick Lara. And she's coming home. Let's do it. She's ours, man! Baby! Wait! It's official! You're coming home! Guys,
Take me to your best friend's house. I loved you then and I love you now. Oh yeah.
she loves one corner in the house. She's always sitting there. Like no matter what, 2-3 दिन भी पहले आई थी वो यहाँ पे बैठी थी. Guys, she's super trained already. She's only 9 months old and she's smelling the treat in my hand right now. I'll show you how trained she is, okay? Good girl. Sit. Stay. Shake hand. Good girl. Down. Down. Wait, stay. Shake hand. Good girl. Super trained. Super trained. Guys, this is like an update 3 hours later. Lara? Laru? जायचं का बाहेर? She's very excited. चल, let's go. Come here. So Lara के previous owners आए थे कुछ चीजें ड्रॉप करने and they actually met her and तब से वो थोड़ी सी like ये हो रही है. She's like a little aloof. तो we're gonna go for a walk नीचे उसको थोड़ा सा पार्क में घुमा के लेके आएंगे and let's see if something changes. Let's go. Guys, Lara has found friends already. इसका नाम क्या नाम है? Neo. Hi Neo. This Neo. Hi baby. Neo, come here. Look at this baby, so cute, yeah. So, Laru, say hi to the vlog. Devak. Laru, Devak. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, she understands. See, she's a camera person. Hi guys, what's up? Misoto. She's very attentive. Is attentive a word? She's very attentive, isn't it? Are you attentive, baby? Guys, it's been 3 days. This is our 3rd day. No, this is our 4th day, I think. मैंने बीच में मैंने फर्स्ट डे को फिल्म किया था, उसके बाद मैंने फिल्म नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक बिजी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर. जब भी घर पे न्यू डॉग आती है तभी लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है एंड आई मीन दैट आई एम रियली हैविंग फन. जब से ये घर पे आई है तब से मेरा लिटरली रूटीन बन गया है. सो मैं आई स्लीप रियली अर्ली 10:30 11 मैक्सिमम और I wake up at like 7:38 और 8:30 maximum. बहुत सारे अपडेट आया है इसके बाद. जब से मैंने लारा को घर पे लाया, she's been acting very good. She's a very calm dog. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सिर्फ मेड पे बहुत ज्यादा भौंक रही है and like random strangers पे भौंक रही है whenever someone's at the door. Few people in the building are not happy with her right now. मेरा kind of झगड़ा हो गया था लोगों से कि like building वाले, because they were like apparently there's a no dog policy in the building. Law नहीं है technically. There's no law as long as the doggo is registered and as long as the doggo has had all the vaccinations. She's happy to stay with me. I fought with someone in the building regarding this baby and I really don't know what's gonna happen next. We are like best friends already. She's been like following me everywhere. मैं जहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ, kitchen में, room में, toilet में, she's like पीछे करते, like she'll just follow me. And all my life when I wanted a dog, never got it right. Now that I had a chance to adopt a dog and like have a companion in general, I think it's not gonna happen this time too, because we have to give Lara away. We actually can't keep her घर पे due to some reasons. It's only been 4 days, which is a good thing at least कि वो बहुत दिनों के बाद हमारे घर से नहीं जा रही है. It's only been 4 days. I took care of her day in and day out. मैंने उसके लिए सारा कुछ किया. She won't be staying with us and really sad. I cried a lot yesterday. I don't really want to cry in front of the camera because I suck. I look stupid. 4 दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा attachment हो गई थी. It's hard man, it's hard. I brought her home with a lot of happiness. मेरे को लगा कि everything's gonna be alright and like fine. Things did not work out due to some reason. As she's adopted, she doesn't have a house right now. We're just gonna make sure कि we look for a nice house for her. I can't vlog while crying. I just hope कि वो खुश रहे जहाँ पे भी अभी जाएगी next. But anyways, let's find her a new home and make her happy.